Right, good evening to you all. Till others log into the system, we'll discuss some questions. So almost we have come to the end of the lesson. Conversions, binary to octal and the hexadecimal thing. Just put the date and write, draw this diagram. Conversion among binary, octal, hexadecimal and decimal numbers. Just copy down this diagram. This is also in the textbook. Just keep in mind, whatever the number that you are getting, the decimal number, you can convert to octal. And the octal numbers to hexadecimal. The hexadecimal numbers to decimal. Hexadecimal numbers to binary. Binary numbers to hexadecimal. Any conversion you can do. So the previous week also we have discussed that. Just put the date and copy down this. If you have finished copying, just tell me, then we'll go to the questions. Okay, if you have finished copying, move to these questions, Buddha. Today we are finishing this part. Question number 1, question number 2. දැන් වරද්දන්න බැහැ ආ. If you have finished, just put a chat message.
Sir, it's disabled.
Chatting is disabled.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, it's okay. So according to the diagram, this is what we have copied, Putha. Just put the heading and copy down the diagram and do these questions. So question number 1, convert the following decimal numbers to binary. Now you all know how to convert a given decimal to binary. You have to divide by 2. So 2 for 17, 8, and the remain will be 1. Again by 2. 1, 4, the remainder will be 0. Again by 2, 7, 0. Again by 2, 3, 1. Again by 2, 1 and 1. Now you are writing from bottom to top. When you write, you are getting the answer 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2. This is the binary number for 57. Now you have the value 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2. Now what you have done? You had a decimal value. You have converted to binary. Now you have a method to convert it to octa and convert it to hexadecimal. Right? What do you all know? When you consider about the octa, the base is 8. So that means you can write this one as 2 to the power 3. 2 to the 8 you can write as 2 to the power 3. So that means 1 octa digit is equals to 3 binary digits. We have discussed about this. Now what you are doing, from right to left, you are grouping. Group the binary numbers. Now you are going to group. How you can group? I'll take another color. 1, 2, 3. Grouping. 1, 2, 3. Grouping. Okay. Now what you will have to know? Now you are having some numbers like this. 1, 1, 1. So this is one group. 0, 0, 1. Another group. So what you are doing from the right hand side, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. You are taking the values. What is 2 to the power 2? That is 4. 2 to the power 1, 2. 2 to the power 0, 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1. What is the answer for this one? 7. So 7 is the largest number in base 8. Okay. So we are taking the values 4 into 1, 4, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 1, 1. So you are adding these things and you are getting the values. So same thing here. You are having ones, twos and fours. So 4 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So this will be the next value for the group. So you can put here 7, 1, the base will be 8 octal. 71, the base is octal. Now you are having the values 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2. So the same thing, same thing. So the base of this one is what? This is, they are asking to convert into hexadecimal, 16. So the base is 16. 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4, right? So you can write 1 hexa number with 4 binary. Now what you will have to do? 4 by 4 you have to group from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are putting 2 zeros to front. So it will not affect into the number. So now here you are having the values 0, 0, 1, 1. And the next group is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So you can see now 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. What is the maximum? It can be 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So maximum will be 15. But here you are having the value 0, 0, 1, 1. So 8 into 0, 0 plus 2, 4 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 1, 1. So this will be 3. And this one here 8 into 1, 8 plus then 0 plus 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. So altogether 9. So you can write this is 3 and this is 9 and the base will be 16. So this is the answer for the first one, 57. Is it okay with you all? You got the answer? If you have any doubts, just tell me, then I'll explain again. Now from today, I'm going to finish this. Okay. Yes, Buddha. Ask the question. Right. I am going to clear this one again. Now you all know how to take the binary number. When you get the binary number 111001, so you have this value, neither 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. So this is how you are converting a given binary number to decimal. For that purpose, what you will have to do, 2 to the power 5 is 32. 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 1. So when you add these ones, 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 32, 56 and 57. So this is how you can convert a given binary number to decimal. Okay. Right. Now you have the binary number 111001, 2. Now this number you have to convert to octal 8. They have given, now you have calculated and you have taken the binary number. This binary number you have to convert to octal. So remember, in an octal number, okay, octal number, the base is 8. Base is 8. So this thing you can write as 2 to the power 3. Okay, with this simple thing, you just understand one octal number is equals to 3 binary digits or 3 binary numbers. One octal number, right? So what are the values in octal? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the values. So what you can do, this 0 you can represent as 0, 0, 0. 1 you can represent as 0, 0, 1. 2 you can represent as 0, 1, 0. 3 you can represent as 0, 1, 1. 4 you can represent as 1, 0, 0. 5 you can represent as 1, 0, 1. 6 you can represent as 1, 1, 0. 7 you can represent as 1, 1, 1. Okay, right? මේ තියෙන්නේ binary, මේ තියෙන්නේ octal, මේ තියෙන්නේ binary. හරිද? මේක කොහොමද එන්නේ? මේක කොහොමද එන්නේ? මං කිව්වා 3 digits වලින් තියන්න වෙනවයි කියලා. මේ octal number එක 3 digits වලින් තියන්න වෙනවා binary නම්. හරිද? right? octal number එක binary නම් 3 digits වලින් තියන්න වෙනවා. එහෙමනම් අපිට කරන්න පුළුවන් දේ තමයි, එයා අපිට දීලා තියෙනවා නම් 3 කියන එක, octal 3 කියන එක දීලා තියෙනවා නම් මෙයාව අපිට binary කරන්න ඕන නම් අපිට මොනවද කරන්න පුළුවන්? අපිට එක්ක මේ 3 කියන එක අරගෙන දෙකෙන් බෙදන්න පුළුවන්. 1යි ඉතුරු 1යි. නමුත් මේක ගත්තම binary වලින් නම් digits 3කින් තියන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් 1 1 2, එහෙනම් මේකට ඉස්සරහට 0 එකක් දානවා. එතකොට මේ 3 කියලා කියන්නේ බලන්න, 3 කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද කියලා? 0 1 1. 7 කියන එක ගත්තොත් එහෙම 2 වලින් divide කරනවා. 3, the remainder will be 1. Again by 2, 1 and 1. So you can write 7 as 1 1 1 2. Okay, so octal 7 is equal to binary 1 1 1. Now look here, දැන් හොඳට බලාගන්න, binary number එක තියෙනවා 1 1 1 2 binary number එක. එහෙනම් මේකේ octal එක මොකක්ද කියලා අහනවා. කොහොමද කරන්නේ? octal එක කොහොමද කියලා අහනවා. ඔන්න හොඳට බලාගන්න. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. right? මෙන්න මේ number එක. එතකොට 2 to the power 0 කියලා කියන්නේ කවුද? 1. 2 to the power 1 කියන්නේ කවුද? 2. 2 to the power 2 කියලා කියන්නේ කවුද? 4. එහෙනම් මේ ටික එකතු කරමු. right? කොහොමද මේක කරන්නේ? 4 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. ඔන්න මේ ටික එකතු කරනවා. 4 plus 2 plus 1. So this will be 7. This will be 7. So 1 1 1 binary is equal to octal 7. So you can write the answer 7. The base will be 8. දැන් හොඳට බලාගන්න. දැන් අපිට දෙනවා යම්කිසි number එකක්. හරිද? අපිට දෙනවා 123. The base is 8. They are asking to convert this one to binary. So how you can do this one? How you can do this one? How you can do this one? 1, 2, 3. So each number you have to represent in binary. Each number you have to represent in binary. How you can do this one? Now here you have seen 4, 2, 1. Neither. You have seen here 4, 2, 1. So that means this is binary numbers. No? These are the values when it's come to the octal. 4, 2, 1. So 1. Neither. 1 කියන එක කොහොමද ගන්න පුළුවන්? 1 කියන එක කොහොමද ගන්න පුළුවන්? 1 කියන එක කොහොමද ලියන්න පුළුවන්? මේ තියෙන octal 1. කොහොමද ලියන්න පුළුවන් මේවා ටික පාවිච්චි කරලා? 4 කියන එක 0, 2 කියන එක 0, 1 කියන එක 1. මේ තියෙන values. මේ octal වල තියෙන values ටික. නේද? එතකොට මේක කොහොමද කෙරුවේ? 1 කියන එක ලිව්වා 0 0. 4 වලට 0 දැම්මා, 2 වලට 0 දැම්මා, මේක තමයි 1 කියලා දැම්මා. ඊළඟට තියෙන්නේ 2. කොහොමද 2 ලියන්න පුළුවන්? 2 ලියන්න පුළුවන්. මේ 2 තියෙන්නේ මෙතන 4 2 1. එහෙනම් මෙතනදී 4 කියන එක 0, 2 කියන එක 1, 1 කියන එක 0. 3 කියන එක කොහොමද ලියන්න පුළුවන්? 3 කියලා කියන්නේ 2 1 නේද? එහෙනම් මෙතනට 0, මෙතනට 1, මෙතනට 1. හරි. එතකොට මෙතන බලන්න 2 1 3. එහෙනම් බයිනරි නම්බර් එකට දැම්මොත් එහෙනම් මේක 0, මේක 1, මේක 1. බැරි වෙලාවට 5 තිබුණා නම් කොහොමද කරන්නේ? 5 තිබුණා නම් මේ 3 4 2 1 වලින් 5 හදාගන්නේ කොහොමද? 4 වලට 1 දානවා, 2 වලට 0 දානවා, 1 වලට 1 දානවා. මේ තියෙන බයිනරි නම්බර් එක. මේ තියෙන ඔක්ටල් නම්බර් එක. මේක බයිනරි වලින් ලියුවා. මෙන්න මේ විදියට. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ නම්බර් එක ලියන්න කිව්වොත් පුතා මේක ලියන්නේ කොහොමද? ඔන්න තියෙනවා 0 0 1. 2 කියලා කියන්නේ කවුද? 0 1 0. 3 කියලා කියන්නේ කවුද? 0 1 1 2. මෙන්න මේක තමයි 123 කියන එක බයිනරි වලින් ලියපුවා බයිනරි පැටර්න් එක. හරිද? ඒ වගේම තමයි දැන් අපිට දීලා තියෙන්නේ බයිනරි එකක්. You have to convert it to octal. You have to convert it to octal. So you are taking from the right hand side. Right hand side. 1 2 3. You are dividing. Grouping 3 by 3. Why? They are asking to octal. So binary 3 digits is equal to 1 octal. 1 1 1. Okay, you are grouping like this. So this is another octal number. Now you are writing 1 2 4. So here it's 1. Here 1 2 4. That is you have to add 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So this will be 71. The base will be 8. 71. The base will be 8. So I have revised everything. I have revised everything now. What we have learned in the lesson. ඔන්න දැන් 71 කියන එක තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. බයිනරි නම්බර් එකක් තියෙනවා. මේ බයිනරි නම්බර් එකේ octal value එක 71. So the same thing. 1 1 1 0 0 1 2. Now you have to convert it to hexadecimal. They are asking to convert this one to hexadecimal. Find x hexadecimal 16. So as we know, 16 is what? 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. So 4 digits. 1 2 3 4. ඔන්න 4 digits කරුවා. 1 2 3 4. ඉස්සරහට zeros දැම්මම කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. value එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙනම් මෙතන 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. මෙතනත් එහෙමයි. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3, 2 and 2 to the power 3. What do you know? 2 to the power 3 is what? 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 8. 2 to the power 2, 2 into 2, 4. 2 to the power 1, 2. 2 to the power 0, 1. ඕනම value එකක 0 power එක නම් value එක 1. Right? Now you are writing. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? 2 to the power 0 1 plus 2 to the power 3 කියලා කියන්නේ 8. Group කෙරුවා. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ 2 to the power 0 1, 2 to the power 1 plus 2. So that is 39 the hexadecimal. Okay? This is how you can take. Right? Is it clear for you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Others also reply me. Chat එකේ හරි දාන්න තේරුණා නම් තේරුණායි කියලා yes කියලා. දැන් ඉතින් මේක ඉවර වෙන්න යන්නේ. From today I am going to finish this number conversion. So I'm going to clear this one now. Right. So what are the values here? We got 111,001. Then what is the octal value? We got 71 as the octal. What is the hexadecimal value? We got 39, 16. This is binary number, and this is octal number. Right. Now we are going to do 127. What will be the value? Okay, good. Go for the next one. If you have finished, yes, go for the next one. Yeah. Okay, so here it will be 1, is it correct? Got this answer? Hexadecimal value, is it correct? So what we will have to do? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. You have to convert
Sir,
to
can we convert octal into hexadecimal?
octal into hexadecimal. Yes. What you can do? You can take the octal number and you can take the binary value of that and you can convert to hexadecimal. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
I think now this is clear. 7F, the base will be 16. So another 6 minutes time, then you have to come back. Okay. So I'll clear all the drawings. Convert the following binary numbers to octal. So they have given the binary number. They have given the binary number. How you can convert the binary number into octal. So they have given 1 0 1 1 1 2 to octal x8. Now you all know. You have to group by 3, right? So here you can see 1 2 4 1 2 4 is not there, so that means here 2, this is 7, the base will be 8. Convert to hexadecimal. Now you know how to convert the number to hexadecimal number. X16, how you can convert that? How you can convert? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 4 8 1 2 4 8. So here only 1, here 4 2 7. So this will be 16. Here you have. Now if you want, what you can do here, they are asking to convert to decimal number too. Decimal number. So 1 0 1 1 1 2. So you can write 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. So that means 1s, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So you can write 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So this is 20, 22, 23. 23 will be the answer. Okay. 23 will be the answer here. When you convert this number to decimal, you are getting this answer. But here you are having 17. Okay. 17. The base is 16. You have to convert it to x10. How you can do that? So you are taking 16 to the power 0 and 16 to the power 1. What is 16 to the power 0? It's 1. 16 to the power 1, 16. So you can write 16 plus 7. 16 into 1, 16. 1 into 7, 7. So when you add, you can see the 23 will be the answer. So you can see here also you got 23. Here also you got 23. Again you are having 27. The base is 8. 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 2. How you can take? Now 27, this is 8 to the power 0 is 1. 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 1. 8 to the power 1. 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1. So it's 8. So you can write 8 into 2 plus 1 into 7. So 16 plus 7. And here also 23. You can see if you got the number with octal, you can convert it to decimal. If you got the number with the hexadecimal, you can convert it to decimal. If you have the binary number, you can convert to decimal. But you are getting the same answer for the value. එකම value එක තමයි එන්නේ මේ. හොඳට බලන්න හොඳට. Try to understand. So here, what are the values? When you convert to octal, it is 27, the base 8. Then hexadecimal number, it will be 17, the base will be 16. And when you consider about the octal, the decimal 23, the base 10. So you can write control button එක press කරගෙන highlight කෙරුවා. Control button එක press කරගෙන highlight කෙරුවා. Then I have click on this subscript. ඔන්න ඒ ටික ඔක්කොම පල්ලෙහාට ගියා. So these are the answers I have highlighted, and from here I have put red color. And if you want, you can bold it. Just see the things that I am doing, because you are having the word processing MS Word. When you are doing MS Word, you have to do these things. Okay, 1 minute. Then you have to come back.